Здравствуйте.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put a welding machine together, just for 15 minutes. So we need
Емкость для воды,
a water container,
соль,
some salt,
вода,
some water,
две металлические,
two metal leaves,
неважно из какого
anyone's,
провод с вилкой,
a cord with electrical connector,
и еще
some wires, and of course we need an arc welding electrode.
Прикручиваем.
Let's connect wires to the metal leaves.
Так,
Like this.
одна есть.
The first one is ready.
Ко второй пластине
The same with the second.
наливаем воду в банку.
Let's fill the water container.
Ну где-то вот так вот хватит.
That's enough.
И
Let's add
добавляем
some
туда
salt. Little more.
Лучше не жалеть. Хорошенько
And let's stir it well.
Хорошо. Потом в получившийся раствор
Let's dip our metal leaves into the brine.
эти две пластинки. Их можно закрепить прищепками.
Let's fix them with closest pins.
Так.
With the help of them, we can regulate welding current. The deeper we dip it, the more current intensity increases. One wire for phase conductor, the other one for our welding electrode. So let's connect the neutral conductor to the element we are going to weld. In order to find out the phase conductor, if you don't have any equipment, you can ground a wire. The one which will be sparkling is a phase conductor.
Смотрите.
Do you see the socket? Here it goes.
Идет.
Here is fastened.
Чтоб током не бахнуло.
Here is phase conductor and here is neutral conductor. Here it goes again.
Идет. О!
And here is electrode.
Построить длинную.
Да. Опять поймал.
Все. Это коптит.
The wire is smoking. So let's apply it to the ground.
Мне там нравится. Она же вибрирует. Все, давай. Во.
Through the darkening glass. It's arc discharge.
В общем, сегодня у нас такой план.
So our plan for today is to weld these sockets iron ropes.
Их просто приварить одну к другой.
Look at how it looks before the experiment. Bear that in mind.
Теперь одеваем свои светофильтры.
Let's take our color filters and let's get started.
Это у нас фаза.
It's a phase conductor. Be careful. It's a voltage carrying wire. Try to apply this to a long wire.
Ого! Ну как?
Let's see the results. Not bad. We will get steam now.
Давай. О, yeah.
The set has its cons. The first is electrical line voltage in current carrying path. That is why you should be doubly careful in order not to get electrocuted. The second is high power consumption. If you have bad power supply, it may cause voltage drops in your neighbors' houses. And the third is supply system overload. If your supply system isn't designed to conduct high current, then it's better to connect it indirect. Subscribe for our channel, we've already got new ideas.